Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel One to Step. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of opening a real account on MetaTrader 5 using your smartphone. Let's get started. First, download and install the MetaTrader 5 app on your Android device. Once it's installed, open the app. On your first launch, the app will automatically register you for a demo account. But to set up a real account, follow these steps. Tap on Messages at the bottom right corner of your screen. From the available options, select Register. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can input your credentials. Enter your information carefully. Once you've filled in the details, tap Get an Account to create your real account. Alternatively, you can use the Sign In with Google option if you already have a Google account. And that's it. You've successfully created a real account on MetaTrader 5. Now you're ready to trade directly from your smartphone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or feedback, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.